Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can sync WhatsApp contacts on an iPhone. So let's get started. If your contacts in WhatsApp are only showing phone numbers instead of saved names, or if you want new WhatsApp contacts to automatically appear in your iPhone's contact list, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. First, let's cover how to add a new contact inside WhatsApp and have it saved to your iPhone as well. Open WhatsApp and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select New Contact. When entering the contact details, make sure the option to sync or save the contact to your phone is enabled. This ensures the contact is not just stored in WhatsApp, but also added to your main iPhone contacts list. After entering the information, tap Done and the contact will be saved across your device. Now, let's fix the issue where contact names are not appearing in WhatsApp even though they're already saved on your iPhone. This usually happens because WhatsApp doesn't have proper permission to access your contacts. To fix this, exit WhatsApp and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then find and select WhatsApp from the list. You can scroll alphabetically or use the search bar if needed. Once inside WhatsApp settings, look for the Contacts permission under the section that allows app access. Make sure it is set to full access. This is essential. Without full access, WhatsApp cannot read your saved contact names. After enabling full access, close WhatsApp completely by swiping it away from the app switcher. Then reopen the app. It should refresh and automatically sync your contacts, replacing phone numbers with the correct saved names. If everything is set up properly, your WhatsApp contacts and iPhone contacts will stay synced moving forward. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.